from the internet, but only about 8% of them actually do. It is really serious. That's why you see some people are thinking making money online is a scam. Why do you think it's like this? It's because most people are stuck in outdated methods. Yes, they don't know this. They are trying to work it out like in 2022, not 2025. And they have forgotten that there are almost like 5 to 6 years that have passed. So, but right now, there's a new and powerful way to earn, and it's hiding in within your phone. Do you have, uh, an iPhone? You have an Android? You have data or you have internet. This is the right time for you to meet our Mr. ChatGPT. What once just was called a fun chat bot is now helping everyday people to make real money online. They don't need technical skills. They don't need expensive tools. They don't need guesswork. Guess what? I suffered when I was starting. In this video, I'll show you the latest, most beginner-friendly way to use ChatGPT to make money online in this year and beyond. And how can you start it today? Not tomorrow. Yesterday you were late. I mean tomorrow. Stick around because this could unlock your next income stream. Good morning. Welcome back to this mind-blowing video. You guys, I'm here to present you this mind-blowing video. If you're a beginner, if you're a housewife, you're a person who is working in the bank, wherever you're doing, this is something for you. Don't forget, I'm not a financial controller. I'm not a financial guru. I'm just a simple lady that is sharing with you what I learn, what I use for you to also benefit from them. By the way, don't forget there are only like 2 to 5% of people who are earning from online because others are very lazy and others want quick and hard way of making money. Guys, my beautiful engagers, you're so awesome. Please like this video, comment, and share it to your friends for them to know what is happening here. What's new in 2025? Let's start from there. Let's start with what is changed. In 2025, the online world is faster, it is smarter, and more competitive. But guess what? What makes that? It's because tools like ChatGPT, you don't just keep up, you get ahead. Here is the latest game changer. AI-powered service selling. Instead of you doing the work, ChatGPT helps you to create services you can sell quickly. Have you understood that? Instead of you doing this work, just give it ChatGPT and let it do the service for you. And you're there, no problem. In the second way for this, it can even offer you a done-for-you service with ChatGPT. How does it do it? Here is the exact method. You have to pick a service in high demand. What are the services? Like writing Instagram captions, writing YouTube captions, writing Facebook captions, writing TikTok captions. Please take advantage of this. Some people of you are lacking money, but these are the things that you can do with ChatGPT and I pay you or another person pays you. We don't have time by the way to do this, but if you can do it, we can pay you and other people and other platforms. You guys, the moment you pick these writing Instagram caption and these things, even product description and copy, and like you do ad copies, or even ebook creation, you run over to ChatGPT to generate the content in minutes. Yes, I've said minutes, in seconds. It depends on the length. Then you run and sell it also on platforms. You can sell it on platforms like Fiverr. I've told you about Fiverr. That is it's Fiverr. Then Upwork, or even through your WhatsApp status, groups, Instagrams, DMs. All these one people are doing it. Me, hey, this time you have to do it. Yes, people are earning $50 to $200 per day. Can you imagine that? With this job, but they let ChatGPT do the heavy lifting. For them, they do the marketing. Remember, also ChatGPT will tell you where the market is. Then, let's see like some of the Instagram captions that you can use for this service. We talk about someone running a business page needs a daily posts. Like me, like any other person. You offer 30 custom Instagram captions for $49. Do you know what you do? You'll go and open ChatGPT and ask, write 30 engaging captions for a hair care brand targeting business moms. Boom, it will give you. You have a product to deliver. You only need to sit down and rearrange, put spices, and it will be there. No stress, no typing for hours. Just edit, polish it, and send. How to package and sell it is the most important. This is the easiest business by the right now in 2025. You can use ChatGPT, sorry for that, to help you write your service offer, create a compelling bio, write DMs to pinch the potential customers or clients. You can even ask ChatGPT to even build a simple portfolio for you. Can I give you example, a prompt example? Like, write for me a WhatsApp message offering content writing services for a beauty brands. This one, it will give you an instant copy. All you do is copy, paste, edit, and deliver. Maybe before I forget, because I promise this video is going to be short, you can also sell products. You sell products you build with ChatGPT. Yes, so what's something more for passive income? Just go tell ChatGPT. It helps you write ebooks, to help you write mini courses, to help you write checklist. Here you are, even to help you write your life stories, life experiences. You have what has hurt you. Like me, I've written thousands and thousands, but I need just time to publish. My experience, my life experience is completely used by ChatGPT. The moment you finish, you sell them on platforms like Gumroad, Payhip, or your own even social media platform. People want to hear. It's content you build once and earn from it ever and over again. If you want, like for example, an ebook on how to start and earn easily or with the YouTube, please, it's only 87 pages. If you want it, I'll give it to you in the PDF form. It is only $2. Send me a DM and it will be in your email or it will be in your DM. You guys, you don't need to be a technical genius. You just need the right questions and the right strategy. ChatGPT is not the future. It's not for tomorrow. It's for today. If you're tired of watching others with online, they just online, they are winning. You're reading their stories. They won this through online. What do you think they use? Please, while you stay focused, this is your time to start. And if you really want to start today, I want you to go to the comments section and write, I'm ready. Or show me the way. Write, show me the way. It's the best. If you're ready to try, I'll do something for you. Like this video, share it with a friend, and subscribe for more smart ways to make money online in 2025. Thank you very much, you guys. This is how you can make money in 2025. Latest way. The one in town now to make money with ChatGPT strategy. See you in another video. Bye-bye.